Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your BMW X3 hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually on the driver's side down near the footwell, often marked with a hood icon. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click as the primary latch releases. This action partially opens the hood, preparing it for the next step. Now move to the front of your BMW X3. The hood will be slightly ajar. Look underneath the front edge of the hood, usually near the center or slightly to the driver's side. You'll find a small secondary safety latch. This latch needs to be pushed or pulled, depending on the model, to fully disengage the hood. With the secondary latch now fully released, you can gently lift the hood all the way up. Your BMW X3 is equipped with robust gas struts that will smoothly and securely hold the hood in the open position, eliminating the need for a separate prop rod. Always ensure the hood is fully extended and stable before you begin any inspections or work underneath. To quickly recap, opening your BMW X3 hood is a straightforward and simple process. First, locate and pull the interior release lever, typically found in the driver's footwell. Next, move to the front of the vehicle and release the secondary safety latch, which is located under the hood's edge. Finally, lift the hood until the gas struts fully support it in the open position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.